In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook leads to Constant Contact. If you are using Constant Contact to manage your marketing and you want to capture leads from Facebook, this is the right place to start. The goal is simple. Connect your Facebook account, choose the correct Facebook page, and then save your connection so new leads can flow into Constant Contact. As you follow along, keep an eye on the screen and make sure you are selecting the correct page, especially if you manage more than one. To begin, open your Constant Contact account and look for the navigation area where you can manage your integrations. You will want to go to the Social section. This is typically where Constant Contact groups tools related to social media connections and lead sources. In the Social area, you are telling the system that you want to connect a social platform, rather than setting up something like email lists or campaigns. Once you are in Social, find the option for Accounts and Connect Facebook. This step matters because it is the starting point for linking your Facebook presence to your Constant Contact workspace. When you select Connect Facebook, you are prompting Constant Contact to guide you through the connection process. Next, connect your Facebook account. On screen, you will be asked to complete the authorization that links Facebook with Constant Contact. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure you complete the sign-in and permission steps in the normal way. This is the part where Facebook confirms that the connection is allowed. If you see any prompts about permissions, review them briefly to confirm they align with what you want, then continue. After your Facebook account is connected successfully, the next step is to select your Facebook page. This is important because you might have multiple pages, such as a business page and a community page, and you want leads to come from the right one. On screen, you should see a list of available Facebook pages tied to the account you just connected. Choose the page that corresponds to the lead forms or ads where you are collecting leads. Take a moment to double-check that you selected the intended Facebook page. If there are similar names or several options, pause and verify the details before moving on. Getting the page right ensures that the lead data matches the campaigns and forms you actually use. Once the correct page is selected, you are ready to finalize the connection. Look for the Continue option. Selecting Continue moves you from choosing the page into the final confirmation step. This is also where the interface often reviews what you selected, so it can save the setup correctly. Finally, click Save to complete the process. Saving is the step that actually stores your settings and confirms the integration. After you press Save, you may see a confirmation message or a status update indicating the connection is active. If you are returned to a previous screen, that is also normal, as long as the integration appears as connected. After you complete these steps, you have done the key work required to add Facebook leads to Constant Contact. From this point, your connected Facebook page can communicate lead information into Constant Contact based on the supported lead flow for your setup. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.